December 30th, 2024. It's currently 6:10 in the morning, and then I'm just currently preparing our breakfast. And then, yeah, hubby's back to work today, and we are finally back here in the apartment. Back again, you guys. And then we had so much fun in Bonneville last week with my family, meet our friends there as well, and just pretty much the whole part of like holiday. It's so much fun. Cook oatmeal for breakfast. This is my husband's craving this morning. Dito ako sa room kasi we need to start cleaning. Kasi New Year's na kailangan malinis yung bahay, malinis yung apartment. So, yun yung agenda for today. We have to clean up the whole apartment as much as we can. Tapos na natin yung ating bedroom, which is our main priority. Next naman is to do our living room. Ayan, medyo magulo din yung ating living room. So, we're just gonna wipe down everything on the table, clean up, and then I think that's it for the living room. Kind of like sorted everything. And then I think that's it. Currently 11:10 in the morning. Kakain na tayo ng lunch kasi ang dami ko pa kailangan tapusin. I wanna finish most of my cleaning today because tomorrow we're gonna do some errands, last minute errands na I have to do kasi punta kami sa in-laws ko tomorrow, and then ayan, kailangan kong hugasan tong mga dishes namin from last night. And then ayan, magluluto pa ako ng supper later. So, yan yung mga gagawin natin. We are full packed with our chores this week. So, it's gonna be busy week for us again. And I'm just having noodles for lunch. Ayan, itong Nongshim ramen. Nagkuha lang ako ng a little bit rice. Tapos nanood tayo dito ng The Meg 2. Ayan, bagong labas siya sa Netflix. And then, ito, ating ramen. Time to do our dishes. These are the dishes that we have left last night. So, hindi na kami nakapaghugas ng pinggan namin last night after our supper. So, medyo marami po tayong hugasin ngayon. So, let's just start this dishes. Naman natin, my plan is to clean our fridge. Ayan, linisin natin siya. This one, wala naman masyado siyang laman. Okay lang yan. Malinis na yan at maayos na yan. So, we're just gonna leave it as it is. Per this one, I wanna clean lahat ng mga bins like this and containers para fresh, masarap lagyan ng ulit ng mga food. Ayan, let's do it. Guys, 'di ba? Akala niyo malakas kami iminom ng pop, pero those are just the leftover from the supper that we had before Christmas. So, nilagay ko lang siya dyan para hindi na siya nakakalat sa dining table. Tapos, ayan, inorganize lang natin siya. Pinunasan din natin tong mga counter kasi marumi na siya. So, ayan, at least, medyo malinis na ang ating ref. Ayan. Hi guys! December 31st today. Ayan, it's currently 4:28 p.m. Kakauwi ko lang galing outside. So I've been so freaking busy since the morning. I had a doctor's appointment at 11:15 in the morning. So I left the apartment like 10:30 because it's like 10 minutes drive. And I waited there in the clinic for like 20 minutes. And then after that, I went straight to the mall. I just bought a few more things and checked some places as well. And then because we have a trip upcoming next year, which is so excited. So this is gonna be a girls trip with my mom. So I can't wait to you guys come along with me on that trip. And then what else? Oh, after that I went to Walmart and bought some of my fruits for my fruit basket here for the house. So let's start with our with our melon, our kiwi, and then we got our pears. Ayan. Ating mga orange. Very nice. Lagyan lang din natin siya nitong strawberry. May konti siyang touches. So, ayan siya guys. Yeah! Ang cute! Hey everyone! It's currently 9:12 or 9:11 p.m. So we are heading to my mother-in-law's place. That's where we're going to spend our New Year's Eve. Ayan yung aking hobby. Ayan. Nag-ano lang kami. We're just organize our gifts for everyone. We dress up and prepare our overnight clothes kasi matutulog kami doon. Our drive is 34 minutes, you guys. So, ayan. It's not bad daw kasi sabi ni Chris 45 minutes daw ang expect niya, no? So, which is good. Hi everyone! It's January 2 today and Happy New Year everyone! I was so busy during New Year's Day. We spent our whole day with my in-laws yesterday and we just got home late last night. So, we're just so happy. Today, we're freshening up. Ayan, I just finished taking a shower, you guys, and we're gonna do a quick skincare lang here. So, this is the ordinary glycolic acid 7%. Yeah, so this is what I use for my daily toner. So I usually apply this with my hands lang. I'm just gonna pour it and then just spread it all over my face. But I feel like love doing it with my pads. Ayan. So, how's everybody's New Year, you guys? Do you even prepare any New Year's resolution for this year, 2025? And for me, before my 2024 ends, I got a really great good news and a great opportunity for me. So I'm so excited for this year, and I know I have a feeling that this year is actually my year this time, and I'm so excited for it. I can't wait to do more new things, new hobby, try new stuff, and I just can't wait to start and be productive as a whole this 2025. So I'm looking forward to that one. Next, we're gonna do my vitamin C. This is, I pretty much use random vitamin C. So I got this one from Winners. This is actually a made in Korea vitamin C. I just love using vitamin C. I feel like it's eliminate my dark spots on my face pretty much and helping my skin to look glowy, and you know why I love putting a vitamin C. And the next thing we're gonna do for this skincare is my The Ordinary niacinamide. This is always in my skincare ever since because it just helps my skin to avoid having pimple, or like if I have upcoming pimple, then this will kind of like stop, you know, so it's not gonna get really big. And so that's, see, look how glowy my skin after applying just these 3 products here, including the toner. The best. So for my moisturizer, I love using this Clinique Dramatically moisturizing gel. This actually like out, so my skin been just absorbing whatever I put it in my skincare. I need to buy a new moisturizer. Yeah, so that's thing is my quick morning skincare routine. So I usually do apply sunscreen if I'm gonna go out, but if I'm just gonna stay home, then I usually don't apply sunscreen. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show to you guys the prosperity bowl that I did before New Year's Eve. So nilagyan ko lang siya ng 12 eggs, 12 bay leaves, at saka 12 na mga paper money, and then mga gold coin dyan. So that's a real lunis kasi it's gold. And then ito naman yung ating 12 fruits, or 13 including the pineapple kasi lucky daw ang pineapple. So I bought pineapple. So ayan, amoy na amoy ko na siya guys na sobrang tamis na mga fruits natin this time. So I'm excited to eat my pomegranate as well. I asked my mom kung kailan ko siya pwedeng tanggalin, or especially yung prosperity bowl. Sabi niya I can remove it na kasi tapos na yung New Year. So maybe later I will remove na yung prosperity bowl ko. I wasn't able to show it to you guys while I did this prosperity bowl here. Pero I'm happy na, ayan, bago natin siya tanggalin, I was able to show it to you. So now it's currently 10:40. I'm gonna have my lunch na kasi I'm so hungry. Hindi ako kumain last night ng supper. So I think I only had 1 meal yesterday, and then that's it. So ngayon, I'm so hungry. And I'm just gonna eat the leftover food that I brought from Mama's Place. So meron lang ako ditong, meron tayo dito. It's a seafood siya, mix of mussels and shrimp, barbecue pork rib dito, and rice. So that's gonna be our lunch. I will update you guys later na lang. And then just gonna enjoy my movie here while eating my lunch. Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. It's currently 11:24 a.m. Girl is actually sick right now, so I haven't really vlogging. Meron tayong sipon, ubo, so, and maybe a little fever. So, hindi tayo masyado nakakapag-vlog. So, ayun. So, gabi tayo giniginaw. Buti na lang ay meron tayong asawa na nag-aalaga sa atin. Lalo na in the morning. Kasi, wala tayong energy sa umaga, you guys. So, today, we're just gonna cook corned beef for lunch. Kasi hindi na umabot yung, medyo nagugutom na yung asawa ko. So, gusto niya na lang kumain. So, I'm just gonna cook corned beef. And then, maybe tonight, we're just gonna have sopas for supper. Para makahigop ako ng sabaw. Wala yung asawa ko, inutusan ko siyang magwalis. Ayan. Ayan. Hey guys, we also got this one from Fan, my sister-in-law, and her fiance Dion. Thank you so much for this Christmas present. Ayan. It's perfect for baking. Ayan. It's so nice. We can make leche flan here also for two of them. Ayan. Pero, mahihirapan ko to reach out kami. Crazy. Hi everyone! Welcome to our new vlog. Today is January 7 and it's currently 10:30 in the morning and your girl is finally feeling better na after getting sick for the last couple days after New Year. So ayan, we're back from vlogging, you guys. I miss you all so much. So ayan, I just finished taking a really nice shower this morning and I'm so ready for the day. Don't have anything on my face yet and you guys gonna come along with me, guys, to catch up with all of our house chores that we had left before we actually get sick. So I had a really bad coughing, cold, sore throat. So now I feel a lot better, you guys. And yeah, I'm so happy to be back vlogging again. So there you go, guys. I'm just gonna have my breakfast here. This is the toast that I didn't finish this morning while I'm having breakfast with Chris. So we're just gonna finish it with our cream cheese again and then we'll go from there. Hi guys, so we are going to cook our lunch. So one, nagpapakulo din ako ng ginger tea para sa ating ubo and sipon para mabilis siyang gumaling. After we removed our Christmas tree, our apartment now looks so empty. So, that's where our Christmas tree was. So, eto na siya ngayon. Pinagsama-sama ko lang yung mga konti nating decor. So, ngayon, magwawalis na tayo so we can kind of like organize what we're gonna put here instead. So, ayun lang. And then, a little cleanup na rin. Good morning, everyone! Ayan, what a bad angle, you guys. But anyway, I'm here in the washroom. Katatapos ko lang mag-shower. And we're gonna get ready quick here. I-blow dry ko lang yung hair ko kasi lalabas tayo. I wanted to go to the grocery for the last couple days, but this girl is so freaking lazy. Also need to pack my stuff. Trip tayo together with my mom this weekend, so we're gonna be away for like exactly 7 days. So gusto ko bago ko umalis is I will be preparing something for hubby, kung mga easy meal lang na pwede niyang lutuin. So hopefully makakita ko ng mga easy food na pwede niyang lutuin pagdating niya sa work every day. So, yun yung agenda today. Tapos, kailangan ko rin pala bumili ng face moisturizer kasi wala na rin akong face moisturizer. So, kaya tayo lalabas. And then, after that, I need to pack my stuff kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakakapack ng aking luggage. So, I need to do that as well today. Hi guys! So, andito na tayo sa car. Magdadrive na tayo papunta sa Superstore kasi doon na lang ako mag-grocery kasi doon yung maraming Asian and more affordable siya. So, doon tayo pupunta and then doon na rin siguro ako bibili ng CeraVe na moisturizer to switch up my moisturizer. And then, I think that's it for today. Bili tayo ng blackberries. Ito guys, yung ambrosia. Matamis for $10. So, bibili rin tayo nito. Say, we really need some ginger. Ako guys sa mga Asian food. Ayan. So, nakakuha na tayo ng mga canned goods just in case. Ayan. Meron na ako dito meron tayong Argentina, sardines. Ayan. Just in case. Kuha tayo nito guys. Pepero. Dalawa lang. Ayan. Pepero. Kasi pangbaon din to sometimes ni Chris sa work. So, bigay natin yan dyan. Grahams. Naka-sale to yung no name. Let's try the no name. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung masarap to eh. Oh. Naka-sale siya. Let's try it. Just one. Ayan. Okay. Hey guys, we just came back from the grocery, so I went to mall as well. I just really had to get my moisturizer from Sephora, so I already have my moisturizer, which is perfect. I just really want to show to you guys the things that I got from the grocery this morning. So This is the first one. We have the large egg in 30 pieces. Something new. This is the Activia yogurt, and it comes with some grains on it. So then I also got this bread. This is a sesame bun, French bread with sesame seed. So this is something new. I really want to try this one out. Looks good. I also got this triple baked tortilla. So I also got some peppers, green and red. Ayan. For whatever reason, they have like different prices for it. And the next one, I just grabbed this zipper sandwich bag kasi it's perfect to for mga to-go na mga ano namin, mga leftover food, tsaka to-go perfect. Bumili lang ako ng simple treats. Ito yung pepero almond. Ayan, this is really good. And then next, I got some apples, ambrosia, and then we also got some sky flakes for snacks, you know, for going to work. At least we have something. Kumuha lang ako ulit ng Quaker Oats. You know, we've been trying to limit eating some rice. And kumuha lang din ako nitong wrap para sa mga leftover. The sardines, I think I grabbed 4 of these kasi it's only 99 cents. Soy sauce. And then, this one guys, very random. Ayan, nakakita ako ng Christmas socks and they're only selling this for 44 cents. So, might as well grab them for next Christmas. Ayan, white lang siya, to the front style. And then, Grahams, evaporated milk. And then, I got some more orange juice. Favorite ni Chris yung orange juice. Bumili lang din ako nitong apple juice na naka-sale from, ang brand niya is No Name. Ayan, it's only like $1 something. So, ayan. And I also got salted butter for our steak. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung kaya ko siyang maluto tomorrow. I also got chicken, North chicken, and blueberry. This is good. And then our taco seasoning for our supper tonight. And then more canned goods. I just got this Argentina. I feel like this is better than the Pure Foods that we tried kasi it's more chunky yung ano niya, yung laman niya. Oh, and then I just got this Fisherman's Friend na candy for my throat. The thing we got here is the broccoli. So pwede lang to for steam, ganyan. So, that's perfect. Meron din tayo ditong brown sugar. Na-request ni Chris na brown sugar. Of course, we have to get ourselves an orange. Kasi masarap ang orange. And then, mozzarella for our taco later. And then, more ginger roots para we can make ourselves some tea. Especially at night. I feel like it's soothing. Ayun yung feeling. And then, next we got the spring roll wrapper. Ayan, green leaves, onion leaves for our Shanghai. Because I'm planning to froze some Shanghai. Bought this blue cod fillet. Ayan. And then, bumili lang din ako nitong tilapia. Hatiin din natin to sa dalawa. So, dalawang lutian siya. Or, you know, para matagal yung tilapia yung ating ulam. Also got this frozen shrimp with head. Ayan. It's only like $8 naka-sale siya. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang, parang half a kilo siya. Ayan. And then the last thing that I got is this chicken breast. Ito, ayan yung asawa ko. Kakauwi niya lang. Nagme-merienda kami ng turon na ginawa ko. Ayan, yummy. Ayan. Tapos, magluluto tayo ngayon na ang taco night tayo today. So, hinanda ko lang tong ating mga giniling. Ihiwa muna tayo ng ingredients natin sa ating tacos. Take ko siya sa onions. Same time, gagawa rin tayo ng mga sides niya para meron tayong mga nilalagay dun sa wrap. Guys, ito yung ating mga ingredients for our taco night na hindi kompleto. So, ito yung pork natin kasi wala tayong beef. Ito lettuce lang na kung ano lang lettuce meron tayo. Tomato, tapos ito lang. Onion, tapos nandito sa ref pa yung ating mozzarella. Yan lang natin siya nito later ng shredded mozzarella. So, I don't know kung anong lasa yan, pero mukha namang okay yung ating ingredients. Hi guys! Ayan, update ko lang, no? So, nagre-ready na tayo sa ating trip sa Monday. Kasi this Sunday, aalis na tayo dito sa bahay at mag-check-in na lang tayo sa hotel para ready na tayo. So, ito na yung mga bit-bit natin. Ito yung aking mga panjama, socks, shorts and shirts, and then meron din tayo mga dresses dito. Tapos ito mga knitted na wear lang yan. Hindi ko pa alam kung dadaling ko yan. And then shoes, cute na shoes, and then yung mga konti lang naman yung mga bathing suits natin. So, meron din tayo nito guys. Ito yung dati ko pang binili sa Amazon ng organizer. So, dito natin ilalagay yung mga damit natin. Tingnan natin kung kasya sila. Pagka hindi kasya, then I guess it's fine. So, ito guys yung nabili kong maleta sa Marshall. Bumili lang ako ng bago kasi yung meron kami, lumana siya.